Gusii nigogendete kuira emeri sababu atani akurase sekta y'ekisemi bagendete kwenekebna umurubiri yongo ikirana ole korengana na Christopher Osinde oyole omurikia sekta y'ekisemi diocese nigo aganirie amoncheryo gokorekana elyo kwenekebna umurubiri yobere kogwikirana obwikirano omurikito Brighton Makoli na mange
Abakenya nigo bono bagenderete kubwatia na kuira umuroberio o CBC ekiagera nigo bono umuroberio yogenderete gokorekana chiskuru ao sense ya Kenya ekerabo ige serikali ebigete miroberio yokwenekebna ngosirere kisemi sense ya Kenya omoteneri igwe kisemi sense meri yege katolike Christopher Osinde ni wanyareka wateba buno muroberio yo no muyakolende.
The CBC curriculum is one of the best curriculums ever this country has designed. But we must accept that there are challenges that are facing the CBC curriculum. It is an expensive curriculum for a country that is economically at the level where we are. We need human power, we need facilities, we need equipment, and therefore I think previously the former government did not prepare well for the CBC's transition.
Wabune kanisa yige Katoliki gorwase county ya Kisii na Nyamira nigo baruete birengerelyo iguru y'umuroberio yo.
When the working party of the education working party the president sent out around the country to collect views about CBC, out of the 24 dioceses in this country, Kisii diocese is the only diocese that produced 2 alternative accurate proposals to the government, that in case what is popularly now being implemented, in the case it doesn't succeed, and we knew it will not succeed because we know that program is expensive.
Boigo nigo Christopher amendribunaga ali baruete na batakirigo ikiranigwa.
Our second proposal on CBC was very clear. CBC curriculum continues the way it is. However, we proposed that since 2025 we shall not have Form 1 844, and given that the government has spent a lot of money in secondary schools putting CBC classrooms, we feel that the secondary schools currently as they are the best actually placed to receive grade 9 of CBC in 2025, so that grade 8 and grade 7 remain in domicile in the primary, but under one headship and under one board. That will help the government. One, the teachers who are teaching the CBC right now and the 844 are capable of teaching many subjects from grade 1 all the way grade 8.
Unapobo se mi Christopher Osinde bwate ojase kyombegerige kolika abalimu.
To employ teachers who will teach those disciplines or subjects that have been added in CBC. Number 2, there are facilities and equipment at primary level. Number 3, all those practical disciplines or practical subjects or rather topics that are in grade 7 and 8, we suggest as a diocese that KICD can restructure the curriculum of grade 7 and 8 so that those subjects or those topics that demand heavy practicals are pushed to grade 9 and 10.
Ninki gosekera nyarke okorekana abuna amagani ali abakenya baganetita hochiwikarana.
If we go with this situation where we have a 4th school created within the old system of 3 schools. 3 schools I mean ECD, primary and secondary. The former government created another another school known as JSS as a 4th school within that system, without facilities, without equipment, without human power. So to us, we feel as a diocese, that's why we presented a second alternative proposal.
Ibono na birengerelyo bya Christopher Osinde.
Let us try to restructure CBC in a manner that will not be very expensive for the government, and I think TSC will already now advise KICD to adjust the curriculum, and to advise teacher training colleges to train teachers in those curriculums or disciplines that are new, and lastly, they will advise the universities which disciplines to add in their education faculty to take care of the CPC.
Ibono na bye birengererio bya Christopher Osinde uyu nyarega kwerera buna murobiri CBC no muya uisikurendwa na maganionsi aisigokiraniwa ni gora chikoba murobiri ro muya asense ya Kenya. Nguripotere getosini Candice TV editariane Brighton Makori.